Yun nga guys, tapos na tayong magpa-check up guys. Galing tayo ng Aster. Ayan, ito yung ating gamot. Init ngayon guys. 40, nasa 41 siguro tayo ngayon. 41 degree. Ayan, dyan tayo galing sa Aster Hospital guys. Wala na tayong gamot eh. Ito yung gamot natin. Ayan. Tayo maintenance. Labas mga team maintenance. Ayan. Sino yung 40? Sino yung 40 na hindi pa nagme-maintenance dyan? Ayan, shout out sa inyo. Napaka-bless nyo. Ayan. Pag umabot kayo ng 40 at hindi pa kayo nagme-maintenance, ayan, napakaswerte nyo guys. Ayan. Ayan. Init! Grabe guys. Layo pa ilalakarin natin. Yun dun. Ayan. Ay, ayun na yung 32C guys. Maghihintay tayo ng 20 minutes na naman. Lumagpas. Guys, dyan tayo galing guys sa Aster Alcosais Hospital. Nilalakarin natin, sayang. Hindi natin inabutan yung 32C bus. 32C. Mag-aantay tayo ng another 20 minutes. Samahan nyo akong maglakad guys. Napakainit. Grabe. Buti pa sila may payong. Eh, si kuya may payong. Init guys. Grabe naman. Sana may aircon dito sa bus station nang hindi ganong mainit. Tumawid si kuya. Pag nahuli ka, 400 dirham yan. Malapit na tayo sa bus stop. Nakakalilim na tayo. Okay. Init mo, Dubai. Yes. May easy guys. Salamat. 12:27. 12:27, so mag-aantay pa tayo ng another 15 minutes guys. So yun lang guys, at antay natin yung ating bus 32C. Ayan guys, 4 minutes na lang yung bus natin, bus 32. 4 minutes na lang yung antay natin guys. Lapit na. Ito ang kagandahan dito guys. May aircon yung nila, bus stop nila. May aircon. Kapag walang aircon to guys, matutos ka dito. Magiging tuyo ka dito guys. Ayan. May AC siya guys. Ayan. AC aircon. Ayan. 4 minutes na lang yung ating antay guys. Bus 32C. Guys, ito na yung bus natin. Bus 32C guys. Ito na. Yun yung pangalawa. Bus 32C. Hey guys. Ito na guys. Saan na tayo?
Got this feeling down deep in my soul that it just can't. Guess I'm on my way. Needed a friend, and the way I feel now, I guess I'll be with you till the end. Guess I'm on my way. Might as well stay. I'm stuck on you, being a for too long. I guess it's time for me to come home. Guess I'm on my way. So hard to see that a woman like you could wait around for a man like me. Guess I'm on my way. I'm mighty glad you stayed. Oh, I'm leaving on that midnight train tomorrow, and I know just where I'm going. I've packed up my troubles and I've thrown them all away. Guess this time later, darling, I'm coming home to stay. I'm stuck on you.
So guys, nandito na tayo guys. Ayun yung sinakyan natin, yung 32C. Dito na tayo sa Umrah Mall guys. Mainit guys, grabe naman. Grabe ka naman Dubai, sobrang init mo. Lakad din lang natin guys, malapit na dito yung accommodation namin guys. So shortcut na tayo dito sa Eskinita guys. Ito yung shortcut dito guys, papakita ko sa inyo guys. Ito guys, oh, may shortcut dito guys papunta sa accommodation namin guys. Yan ang Eskinita dito guys, oh. Grabe init guys. Nangangagat ang init niya, sakit sa balat. Yan guys, ganyan din katambak ang ano, mga kalat-kalat dito guys, oh. Ayan guys, may puno din sila guys. Ayan, oh. Ayan, puno ng sampalok. Ayan guys, may puno sila ng sampalok dito, malilim. Ayan, medyo malamig dito guys pag may puno. Naamoy ko yung chicken. May restaurant kasi dito guys, yun, sa likod niyan. Ang bango ng chicken guys. Gugutom na ako. Ang future. Nakikita ko na ang future guys. Ayan. Yay! Malapit na tayo magganyan guys. Future. Paubos na yung buhok natin guys. Ayan, nandito na tayo guys. Ayan yung accommodation namin, oh. Yan, ang accommodation ng Inok guys. Yan. Oh guys, yan yung accommodation namin guys. Alright guys, dito, hanggang dito na lang guys. Hit. Sala pala nila guys. Sala pala nila. Yung accommodation namin guys, Inok accommodation guys. Alright, hanggang dito na lang guys.